Good morning, this is Kim Sharkey, Operations Officer at the State Watch Office of the Florida Division of Emergency Management. This is your State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Saturday, February 14, 2009. The State EOC is at a Level 3 or monitoring status today. All nuclear power plants are operating normally and at 100% capacity. There are no major energy outages that have been reported. All airports are open and have normal operations. All ports are open and functioning normally. All highways in the state are open or will be open in the next 12 hours. There have been no health advisories issued for the state, and there's no confirmed or suspected major attack on major computer networks in the state of Florida. There are no known border security migrant issues at this time or migrant landings of 50 or less individuals.
In weather, a frontal boundary will remain situated along or just south of the Panhandle and Big Bend coast through this evening. This feature will combine with strengthening jet stream winds aloft to produce moderate to heavy rainfall with embedded thunderstorms through Sunday along the I-10 corridor in north-central Florida through Sunday afternoon. While a widespread severe weather outbreak is not anticipated, strong thunderstorms in the Panhandle could produce gusty winds, hail, and flooding downpours. An isolated severe thunderstorm with damaging wind gusts and large hail is possible. Heavy rains of up to 3.5 inches during the overnight and morning hours have prompted an urban and small stream flood advisory this morning for the western Panhandle counties. Additional rainfall amounts in excess of 2 to 3 inches today could create additional localized flooding across the Panhandle. Meanwhile, high pressure will remain in control of the weather pattern over central and south Florida today. Patchy and dense fog will dissipate over most locations by noon. However, sea fog could linger into the afternoon hours in the Keys and along the southwest Florida coast. Dry soil conditions and warm temperatures will enhance the spread of any wildfires that develop in central and south Florida this afternoon. High temperatures in North Florida today will generally reach into the upper 60s. 70s are forecast for north central, west central, southwest Florida, and the Keys. Offshore winds will allow highs in east central and southeast Florida to climb into the mid-80s this afternoon. Onshore winds will create a moderate risk of rip currents today along the Panhandle and Big Bend coasts. A weak low-pressure center will form along the frontal boundary tonight near the Panhandle coast. Moderate to occasionally heavy rains with embedded thunderstorms will persist across north and north-central Florida. Isolated severe thunderstorms will remain possible in the Panhandle. Dense fog may again become widespread across South Florida and the Keys. Low temperatures will fall into the 50s across North Florida, with 60s expected elsewhere. As of Friday, the statewide Keach-Byram Drought Index mean was 524 on a scale of 0 to 800. County KBDI averages across a majority of South Florida remain near or above 600. Most counties in the Panhandle have KBDI averages near or below 300. KBDI averages will fall this weekend across north and north-central Florida due to significant rainfall amounts, while only isolated showers are forecast south of the I-4 corridor. Lake Okeechobee's average elevation is 13.15 feet, which is only about 1.5 feet below normal for early February. In space weather, solar activity is expected to be very low. However, the geomagnetic field is expected to be unsettled with isolated active periods for the next few days, due to a recurrent coronal hole high-speed stream. For more information on space weather, please visit www.swpc.noaa.gov. With the threat of heavy rainfall in portions of the state today, the importance of road safety is critical. Low-lying areas and roads can quickly become flooded. If you approach a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. It only takes a few inches of water to sweep away a person or a small vehicle. Also, debris in the road underneath the water could cause significant property damage. If you cannot see the roadway under the water, play it safe and take another route. This decision could save your life.
This concludes the Daily Situation Report for the Florida State Watch Office. Have a wonderful day.
For further information on how you, your family, and your business can get a disaster plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org.